Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello, sir. Good afternoon. Is this
Yes, it is.
and owner, sir?
Yes, it is.
Sir, this is Cyrus Martinez, and this is just a quick call regarding with your Google Map listing here in Hampton, Minnesota.
Yep.
Okay, because right now, sir, we handle the local map listings on the front page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So today, please be informed that we need to qualify this. Your phone number here is that correct, sir?
Yep.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Uh, and the exact business address here is the same, 6155 225th Street. So what is your zip code, sir? So, sir, the business in the roofing, correct?
Yes.
Uh, so your first name, sir?
My name is Jerry Hyman.
Jerry. All right. It's
Hyman.
Hyman.
Hyman, yeah.
All right. So right now, Jerry, please do correct me. You don't have any website.
Not right now.
So under construction, correct?
Yep.
And you have been for the business for 31 years?
Yep.
All right. And usually, where do you currently get your customers from?
What's that?
Where do you get your customers from?
Um, Mostly referrals.
Or mostly referrals. What about word of mouth?
Yeah,
Correct?
that too.
And how much are you currently investing per month on your advertising and marketing, if you do have only, or zero?
How much is on what?
How much are you currently investing per month on your advertising and marketing, if you do have only?
I don't know. My partner Danny takes care of that.
All right, I perfectly understand. But Jerry, could you handle increase in business?
Yeah.
And also, as a business owner, you want potential customers to find you on the front page of Google, correct?
Yeah.
And would you like your business to be on the front page locally or nationally?
I got it. I already got it all taken care of.
So local or national?
I got it everywhere.
So
I already
national.
got advertising. No, I got everything. No, I don't do national. I just do local.
Oh, local only. So in what city you want to be on the front page? Hampton?
Yeah, but no, I don't need any advertising.
Well, sir, this is really not exactly regarding with your advertising. We are not qualifying only, okay?
Yeah, so I know that, but what's the cost?
Oh, the good thing about this qualification call is for free, meaning to say you don't need to pay
Yeah,
anything
but what
here.
is it cost to advertise? Or what are you getting at? I mean,
Sir,
what do
we
you
are not.
call? What's this phone call about?
Sir, we are not asking for you to pay anything here, okay? Because this is for free qualification call. I just need to
Yeah.
qualify you only,
Yep.
okay? Since we're almost done here, all right, what city you want to be on the front page? Hampton?
Probably Hastings.
All right. So do you have a multiple locations or none?
No.
All right. So what keyword are you most interested in getting on the front page? Roofing?
Nothing. Yep.
Email address, correct?
Yep. Yep.
Mm-hmm. Jerry, I would like to say only
Yep.
congratulations because your business is qualified to be one of the few businesses listed on the front page of Google locally. Less than 10% of the people we speak to be qualified to be on the front page of Google. Okay?
Okay.
Congratulations, Mr. Jerry. Now, since you're 100% qualified, I have here my marketing specialist to discuss to you and to give the quick review for the available packages that they have. Hang on one second,
Okay.
Jerry, okay? So
Right.
Jerry, aside from the number that I dialed, do you have any extension?
Uh, no, this is it.
Oh, so this is the
I
best
know
now.
my partner's number. My partner's number is.
This is Charles.
Yeah.
Yes, hello, Charles. This is Cyrus Martinez. I have Jerry on the line. He is the owner of this. He would like you customers to find him online. His primary phone number. Got it?
Hey, got it.
Yep.
Jerry, go ahead.
Hey there, Jerry. How you doing?